So dudes, welcome back to my channel, here again for another video. If you look at the title, I did manage to back a once to watch Walkout, so keep watching the rest of the video to find out who that was. And be sure to like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, you're not going to have any milk in the morning because I'm going to come into your house and rob it out of your fridge. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, make sure to go like and subscribe and go into the comments. Well no, don't just go in there. Comment in the comments if you like my videos or not, because if no one actually likes these videos, what is the point of me making it? But yeah, anyways, so yeah, keep watching the rest of the video to find out who I packed. And I did get other walkouts as well, so what am I doing with my hand? Yeah, just into the video. Adam Traore. Yes. Charlison. I'm not even paying attention really. Oh, he's like 15k, I'll take that. Oh, bored and I skipped.
Yeah.
Bored and I skipped. I'm so used to skipping boards. Some real. Oh, informed Giroud. Sorry, not really actually. I'll take that back. It's kind of terrible. Get out of my face. Bored. Except for good self. Sorry. Walkout. Standard. Goalkeeper me. Oh. Muller. Corner. Walkout just to get Muller, man. That is some heartbreaking stuff. I'm done to leave the room packed. Hope I get something sick. I haven't looked yet. Please tell me if it's good. I'm gonna slowly go up. Oh, oh! Let's go! Actually was good as well. Sane and Cancelo. Boom! That's what we like here. Bored at last, finally. Be something good. It's terrible. Oh, can't get anything good, man. My packs have been opening just to try like get a player to like finish these SBCs and it just ain't happening. No matter what I do, I just can't seem to get the player I need, man. Oh well, we move. Grind don't stop until I pack an icon. That's something I will guarantee. It might not be in this video, but in one video in the next couple of weeks I'm packing an icon. I'm gonna do it. Come on, game. Could be a 20k player. Please. It's not. Wait, it's not. Oh man, this is so annoying. This has to be the one. Please. Bored. Be a good. It's always Spain and it's always this goalkeeper. Oh my god. Every time, man. Struggling. I am struggling right now. So bad in this game. Come on, 50k pack. I haven't had anything for ages, please. You bored? Yep. I'll have it. Okay. Wan-Bissaka. There is any time to get a walkout, it'll be right now, eh? In this big packet. The big package. It's not. It's a board though. It's an informed board. I don't know who's good. Is that good? Well, he plays for the MLS, so I doubt it. But you know, his card's alright. Dribbling would be a bit better, but apart from that, he's dog. Yeah, that pack was a bit clapped. Rare Mega. Walkout, finally! It's not an icon. Left wing. Oh my god. Fabinho though, that's sick. I've been packing him bare. I've literally packed him like 3-4 times the past couple of days. Take that. Finally a walkout. Yes.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What a pack. It's made like 170, 180k out of this one package. That package just got sent and delivered in one day. Not goalkeeper. Wait, that's Jesus Navas in there. Is he worth anything? Decent. The news package. Oh no. Yeah to the yeet. Could be saying. So board in the nasal package. Got Manu ass. Oh my god. Is that for? Oh, Harry Kane. Let's go. I'd say that's first time packing him. I don't know whether he's worth anything. I doubt it. Just look at his pace. I just built a rare Electrum players pack on my main account, which is untrainable. So I better get a good player. If I don't get a good player out of this, I'm going to run to Tesco's, rip a brick out of the wall, and I'm going to start chewing on it like some deranged animal.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Oh, I can't look at the package. I'm not looking. I'm listening. Clapped.
Hi, how are you?
Naki Williams. Untradeable. Alright.
I like your cut, G.
His hair looks like a ramp. Someone explain to me why you can list him up for 75k. Forward. Good. We left back at least. Martinez. 85. I'll take that. Walkout. Oh, Anissa wants to watch. Be German. Oh, Odegaard. Let's go. Don't thought I was going to be Werner, but I'll take that. Nice. It's only like 35k, but decent. Was not expecting that. Hit me with it, EA. Just smack me on the face with a walkout. Just drag the screen across my face. It's not. It's absolutely nothing. Come on, EA Sports. I'm gonna eat my whole desk in a minute. I am. If I don't get a walkout, I'm eating it. Ah! Off with it. You unit. I'm about to eat my desk. I'm gonna do it. I'm eating it. God, oh my god, oh my god, you don't believe what I just packed? I can't believe I just packed that thing. Oh my god. I just opened the pack, right? Guess what I got? I got absolutely fucking no one. What the fuck, man? We're at the end of the goddamn video, man. So if you have made it to the end of the video and you actually generally watched it, thank you, thanks, thank thee hither, thank thy Itheum, thank thorium, thank thus RB1, thanks, because I've spent ages editing and editing, and even trying to get good players, literally players out of packs. Like, I know it wasn't the best video, but if you would have been sat in my room watching me open pack after pack, you would understand it. It's so hard to get players. Like, I did manage to get some walkouts of the last for the video. So yeah, be Lord to like and subscribe, guys. Make sure to go check out my Twitter and an Instagram in the comments, because I have got a Twitter and an Instagram, which I'm gonna, what's the word, put in the comments here. So hope you enjoyed. We did manage to pack that once to watch, which is quite sick. I know it's only like 30k, but still. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on my next video. So thank you, and shoot started.